The biblical story of Job is an epic narrative about suffering, faith, and the mystery of God's justice. It follows a wealthy, righteous man named Job who loses everything, endures intense physical and emotional pain, and ultimately discovers that God's wisdom transcends human understanding. 1. The setup. Job is a wealthy, honorable man from the land of Uz who is devoted to God. In a heavenly council, Satan, the accuser, challenges God, claiming Job only serves him because of his wealth and protection. To test Job's integrity, God grants Satan permission to strip Job of all his blessings, though he is forbidden to take Job's life. 2. The tragedy and testing. In a single day, Job receives devastating reports that all his livestock, servants, and all 10 of his children have been wiped out by natural disasters and invaders. Despite this unbearable grief, Job refuses to curse God. Satan then afflicts Job with a painful, debilitating skin disease. Even as his own wife urges him to curse God and die, Job maintains his faith. 3. The debates. 3 of Job's friends, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar, come to comfort him, but they soon argue that his suffering must be punishment for some secret sin. Job vehemently defends his innocence and demands that God explain why this is happening to him. 4. God's response. After a long silence, God answers Job directly from a powerful storm. Instead of giving a direct answer about why the tragedy occurred, God asks Job a series of profound questions about the creation and governance of the universe. Job humbles himself, acknowledges the limitations of human understanding, and repents of his questioning. 5. Restoration. God rebukes Job's friends for giving poor counsel and commends Job for speaking honestly about him. In the end, God restores Job's life in tangible ways, blessing him with renewed health, a new family of 10 children, and twice the wealth he had before.